Hello. Not too long ago, I woke up and I decided I want to start collecting something. So I chose model planes, I guess, for no reason. But I didn't want to spend 50, 40, $50 that these higher end brands cost. So I went and got these Chinese replica planes. They seem pretty nice though. I'm yet to open them. I ordered 9. They range anywhere from $8 to about $15. But sure beats 15 or $50 for the Gemini jets, or other similar brands. So yeah, I'm gonna open these up and see what I think of them. Like I said, I don't own any of these. These are my first planes, and I believe there are 9 of them. Yeah, nine different models and companies, and yeah, let's take a look, see what comes in here. All right, so let's do those. These guys as well. This is the box. Well, one of the boxes that came in. The other box is just not here. So let's start with this pile here. This one conveniently says open. So I got these from AliExpress. I did open it already, but yeah, look, some damage in the box. I mean, this one isn't damaged because it's the only one I already opened. What's up with this box? Okay, this one is the Iberia A330. A330. Looks fairly nice. They all come with their little stands. Yeah, it's nice. It's pretty detailed. The little focus. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Comes with the little stand. Let me see. Oh, I guess. Okay. So it's a little plastic stand here. Slides in, I guess. Like that. And yeah. That's the first one. This is the A330. It's pretty nice. Yep. Now let's take a look at this other one. What the hell is up with this box? It's tore up. Here, let me fix this. Okay, this one's a little silver stand. This one, oh, this one's a 777, I believe. KLM. Oh, this is Korea Air. Korea Air. Huh? And yeah, let's show you. It comes with its stand as well. Fairly nice. Get this open. This just looks like it just goes like that. Again, these are from AliExpress. Let's get the little hump It's this heavy metal material. It feels really good. I mean, I've never owned a Gemini's Jets version of any of these, so I don't know what's the difference in quality, but it's definitely some metal, so it's fairly heavy. So yeah, that's the second one. Um, let's do this third one. See what this one is. I actually don't remember which ones I bought. This is American Airlines. Looks. Bought these like a month ago, and I got them like 2 weeks ago. I just never opened them. Yeah, American Airlines. What is this? This one is a 777. So then the Korean, that one's a 747 actually. This one says, doesn't have the actual number, but it also comes with its stand. Jesus. Okay. Same thing. Just like that. And yeah, looks pretty cool. These are definitely nice for like an office or a desk here. It's 3. Okay, now let's I'll make it a mess there. Okay, this one this one feels heavier than the other ones. Oh, a little stand also. Oh wow. Air France. What is that one? I don't even. Oh, A380. That's the model. 380. This is really nice. It's so heavy. It's really nice. Yeah, A380. There you go. A380. Super nice. Look at the detail on that. It's so heavy. Let's see if I can weigh really. What about all this packaging though? I guess it makes sense. Like I said, I just wanted to collect stuff, I guess. I was bored and I was like, oh, these look pretty cool, and I just bought them. Oh, something's sharp here. Alright, something's sharp here. Oh, these things are really sharp. Oh, that's not good. I don't think it's broken, but I don't think it was filed down because it's super sharp. There's this one. Scratched. So that is 4 down. 5 to go. Alright, so let's continue with this. The 5th one. This is 777 up here. What is it? Oh, that's a 777. I don't think so. Lufthansa. This one wasn't package, which I kind of like better. Well, actually, that's not a. This is a A380, just like this Air France one. How nice they are. See this? No, this one's not sharp, or as sharp at least. That's really nice. Let's put it in its stand. Take a. Oh. Jeez. Oh. This one keeps falling apart. There you go. This one's kind of wobbly. That's weird. Doesn't feel. Well, the stand is different. It's just kind of like you plunge it in. Yeah, that's the 5th one. Let's take a look at this one here. Like I said, This one is KLM. This is this is the stand. This is kind of like a clear stand. Let's see. Okay, how does this go? Okay, there you go. This, great, I don't have scissors, but just open it. KLM. This one's really nice. This is a 777. Focus, focus. Oh, this is my favorite one so far. The blue is just pops out at you. Netherlands. It's obviously where these guys are from. I mean, I've been into planes ever since I was little and stuff, but I don't know, I guess now that I'm older, I can afford these things. I decided to do it, I guess, I don't know. Well, this one's not so. There you go. Nice. There you go, this is another one. Okay, I'll have to set them up nicer than that, because just stashing them there. Let's take a look at one of these other ones. You know what, let me make some room. Let me organize this a bit. Okay, so next one would be this one here. Emirates. Okay, that one appear. I think this is one of the cheaper ones. I guess it must be in high demand somehow. But oh yeah, this is really, really nice. This one's again a A380. That I know for sure that let me lift up. Yeah, you see, nice. Look at the bottom. That's a little bit crooked, I guess, but that's not bad. Look at the engines on 4 of them. Come on, focus. Okay, it's nice. I mean, I can only imagine how nice the Gemini jets are, I guess. Maybe eventually I'll fork up the dough for those, but not right now. Oh yeah, this is the one I got from my girlfriend because she likes Hello Kitty. The stand again. Yeah, I remember this one. This one has Hello Kitty stuff. I don't even know if this was a real plane that they actually painted with Hello Kitty. I don't see why they would, but Eva Air. Not sure, but it feels super heavy. It kind of feels as heavy as a France one, or maybe even heavier. Yeah, those there. These I actually got these from AliExpress too a while ago. Okay, so let's go on to the last one. This one's British Airways. Kind of like these stands that are clear. This right here. Well, let's put this one. No, it's not open yet, I guess. Okay, British Airways again. A lot of A380s, I guess. Does this have any? No. But let me put that in there as well. Jesus. Okay, that one definitely will not get out. So yeah, that's all 9 of my model airplanes. Let me set them up nicer. Okay, so these are all the ones we just unboxed. These are the A380s, Eva Air, Emirates, British Airways, Lufthansa, German, Air France. Those are the 5 A380s. The American Airlines, that is a 777. The 747 Korean Air, the 777 KLM. That is probably my favorite one, or maybe in this Air France one. And then the Iberia one, that's the only one that's A330. But yeah, I mean, not too bad, huh? I mean, this is my first set of planes. Again, this one from AliExpress. I'm fairly happy with them, so yeah. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out. Thanks.